Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Diaz, and today I'm going to be telling you guys my favorite things of the month of January. So today we're going to be talking about beauty. It's mostly beauty. So I'm going to be telling you guys my favorite products from January, the products that I've been trying out. Recently I've been getting a lot of new PR and I want to show that to you guys. So today we're going to go through makeup, hair, skincare, nails, and a little bit of fashion, and then some other things which we will call miscellaneous items. Let's start with beauty, and I'm actually gonna start with my favorite one. Like, I've been obsessed with this thing, and this is a jaw exerciser. I didn't even think these things would work, but oh my god, like, they literally work. This is so good. I saw this TikTok of a girl that had like this huge difference in her face. I can already see a difference. I can already feel a difference. So I'm really excited. And this is so easy. Like, you can literally just be in bed studying or whatever, just chewing on this. But yeah, I love this thing. It's gonna make my face so snatched and beautiful and skinny. And then the other three items are actually the lip combo that I have right now, because I always get questions about what this lip combo is. This is the one that I wear all the time. This is my absolute favorite one. So this is my absolute favorite lip liner. This is from LA Girl, and it's in the color Sugar and Spice. So once I line with this, that's not it. Once I line with this, I try to fill in my lips a little bit, and then I put this in the middle. This is a very pale pink, and I love it because it totally contrasts with this one, and it just makes the middle of my lips very light, which makes them look bigger. And I love to top off my lips with this MAC in collaboration with Selena lip gloss. This is the Bitty Beauty Bum Bum. Last month I showed you guys that my favorite was the Hey Dad Pizza from MAC and Selena, but I've been loving this one. It makes my lips look lighter, which is something that I've been loving, mostly because I'm a little bit more tan. And another beauty product that I've been obsessing over is the Arches and Halos Brow Pencil. I love this thing because I finally got the right color. I had a lot of Arches and Halos products which I still use, but I kind of like only restricted it to the outside of my eyebrows because they were all very dark. But this one is in the color, I think, dark brown. The other ones that I have are literally like black. So I can use this on like all my eyebrows, and it looks so nice. Like, my eyebrows look so nice today. Another beauty product that I have loved for like already a year and a half, 2 years. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is so amazing, and I love it because I don't know what is up with my eyelashes, that every time I put on mascara, it could be like any mascara, my eyelashes literally just go down. Even if I curl them and then I curl them after putting on mascara, my lashes will literally just... And with this one, this is waterproof. This actually holds my curl. I've been through so many tubes of this thing, and I also love the packaging. I love how it's waterproof. It has like, if it had droplets of water, I think that's so cool. And this year I also told myself that I'm going to start doing more colorful looks, because if you guys don't know, I started this influencer journey with makeup, and I did it with more like colorful looks. I did I forgot the word, but those looks that you can't wear like to Walmart. Like those looks that take you like 5 hours. I used to do those, and lately I've been doing a lot more color, and I've been obsessed with this palette. This is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever. Oh, that's very clever. That's so cute. And it has a little bit more color. I'm always stuck with the neutral browns, and this has more of some red shades, some green, some shimmer. So I'm really excited to keep using it. I actually already did a makeup look that is on my Instagram reel, so if you guys want to go watch it with this palette. I got this palette from my BoxyCharm box from the month of I got it from this month, from the month of January. I got this, and I got so many other amazing products that I always post on my Instagram story. Guys, this Violet Voss is like an expensive brand, right? BoxyCharm literally carries the best brand. So if you guys do not have a BoxyCharm yet, I really recommend you to get it. I always was a person that was very stuck in brands and in products, and BoxyCharm is kind of like pushing me to trying new things, trying other colors, trying other brands. And literally, no matter how many stories a week I do, or Snapchats, or YouTube videos, or include them in favorites, I still get questions. Oh my god, your teeth are so white. And I'm like, thanks. So for the 100th time, and I will keep repeating it if I have to, you know, it's cool to me. I want everyone to have white teeth. I use the White with Style whitening kit. So what I do is when in the kit, you simply get a syringe, you get a mouthpiece, and you get a light. And depending on what kit, you also get a carbon toothpaste. But the carbon toothpaste, you guys know that I love it. But today I'm just gonna be talking about this. All you do is literally put half of 1 ml into your mouthpiece. You pop the mouthpiece into your mouth, you attach the mouthpiece into your light, and then you just put it in your mouth, and you will white your teeth like that in just 20 minutes, and then this will turn off and your teeth will be white. All you have to do is rinse off your mouth, maybe brush your teeth again, and you're good to go. I do this once a week and it works amazingly. As you guys can see, I do not have fake teeth. The other day I saw this comment that was like, oh, she had her nose done. She definitely had her teeth done. And I was like, what does the nose have to do with teeth? But okay, go off. You guys can also use my code Diaz to get an 80% off your whitening kit. The whitening kit is usually, I think, $140, and with my code you get it for $38. So if you guys want to buy the kit and you guys want to get some white teeth as well as save more than $100, then go to the link down below and use my code Diaz. So now that we're done with beauty, we're gonna go on to skincare. I've talked about this soap many times before, but I actually ran out of the soap and I stopped using it for a while. I was traveling and I was just kind of like going back and forth to Texas and stuff, so I didn't get around buying new ones. I usually get them from Amazon. This time I try to get the same ones that I always get, but they didn't have them on Prime, so I had to get another brand, but I saw very good reviews, so I was really excited to try it. So then I decided to get this one, and it has been working amazing. Kojic acid is supposed to brighten your skin, keep breakouts away, get rid of breakouts, and clear acne scars, and it really does. It works amazing. So if you guys start using it, make sure you are being gentle with it, and make sure you're being even more gentle with it if you have sensitive skin. Also guys, I'm going to leave you the links for everything down below. Another skincare product that I've been loving this month, I actually got this on my December BoxyCharm, and this is the Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. This will literally make your skin look like a baby. This is a heaven sent product, literally, and you know, the price also kind of tells us that it is, but like I said, I got this on my December BoxyCharm, so literally the price of the box itself was less than this single product. And then the last skincare product, oh my god, I was so excited when I got this, because I've been telling myself that I'm gonna get the Paulas Choice, you know, I think it's the toner, you know, it's literally always popping up on my YouTube, always before every single ad, and I'm like, okay, I need to get that, and I need to get that, and I've heard Hiram talking about it, so that even makes me more like, oh, I need to get that, and then randomly I got a Paulas Choice PR, and I literally screamed, mostly because this is their skin perfecting 25% AHA plus 2% BHA exfoliating peel, and this is basically the same thing as a product that I wanted to buy, but in a different form, and I was just shook. And I've been using it and I absolutely love it, and if the other product works the same as this one, oh my god, you're most likely gonna see that other product in the next month's favorites. So I'm really excited to try other Paulas Choice products. This is the first one I've ever tried and I absolutely been loving it. And now for hair, you guys know that I hate doing my hair and I am not very talented with my hair. I kind of decided to, you know, add a little spice with this little like slicked front bang, but you guys know I don't really do hair. But this thing, oh my god, this will literally make you look like you went to a hair salon. And I've never even used one of these before. I didn't even know how to use it, but the first time I used it, my hair literally looked so good and I didn't even know how to use it. Imagine when I actually learned how to use it. So I'm really excited to keep using it. I actually want to get more layers in my hair, so when I use this, my hair looks a lot more like voluminous, or so it looks like it has a lot more volume. This is from insert name here, and this is the insert blowout here. You guys can use my code, I believe it's Michelle15, to get 15% off. I'm not sure, but I'm going to leave it down below and I'm going to put it on the screen after I make sure that it is the right code. But yeah, you guys need to get one of this, mostly if you have long hair. Also, this I can't put it on because like I have like, you know, my little I have this. My sister got me this one for Christmas. It's so handy. I literally think people that do their makeup with hair on their face are psychopaths. Like, you cannot change my mind. You are a psychopath, and I'm not going to trust you if you do your makeup with your hair down or with your hair on your face. I see so many like makeup videos of girls doing their makeup on Instagram, and they're like just blending, and they're like literally blending over their hair, and I'm like, I literally freak out when I get makeup like in this part of my hair. Since this is thick, this covers your ears. So, you know, sometimes we have that problem that it's like, okay, either it's over my ear or it's behind my ear, but then when it's behind your ear, it kind of like keeps like scooting back, and then you have to keep putting it on. Well, with this one, you don't have that problem. I love it. It's amazing. It's nice. It's comfortable. It doesn't make your ears hurt, and it keeps your hair out of your face so you're not a psychopath. Now for nails, look how good my nails look. They look so good. I did this little like neutral monochromatic nail set and I love it. And now I'm going to tell you what nail polishes I used, which all of them are absolutely amazing. I have tried the brands before. I did apply a base, and I literally only applied 2 coats to this. For my thumb, I used the Color Therapy Sally Hansen nail polish in Chai Hopes. And then for my pointer finger, I used the Nailtopia nail polish in Caramel Pose. For my middle finger, I used the Nailtopia nail polish in Less Mess. For my ring finger, I used the Nailtopia nail polish in Creme de la Creme. And for my pinky, I used the Orly nail polish in Snuggle Up, and I absolutely love it so freaking much. They look so nice. They look so cute. I literally can't stop looking at it, and I have to have pretty nails. So now we have only 2 categories left, and that is fashion and miscellaneous items. So for fashion, I'm going to start off with these little glasses. Where are these glasses from? I think these glasses are from My. Oh my god, all my favorite glasses are from My. So I love these glasses. These are blue light glasses. These don't actually help me see, but they do block out blue lighting, which is the lighting coming from your phone, your iPad, your computer. And I'm literally, there's days where I'm on my computer all day, and not only my computer, like I have my computer, I have my iPad, and then I'm writing like tons. So I definitely need glasses like this, because then at night, since I'm doing that all day at night, I literally can't sleep. These glasses protect you from that blue light that makes you your head hurt. It makes you not want to go to sleep at night. So I'm very grateful for them. I think they look very cute. They're not uncomfortable. Sometimes I literally just wear them like with outfits because they're cute, but I love them. I am blind, like I am blind in real life. I do need real glasses. I don't have real glasses because real glasses are just not for me, and contacts are even less for me. I just can't, like, I literally prefer to be blind and then to wear any of that. I've been telling myself that I'm gonna get LASIK for like a year now, which I haven't, but I know I will, so soon I won't be blind. But the next item, it's this beautiful purse from Nat and Nin. So Nat and Nin is actually a French brand. They're based in Paris, and they sent me this beautiful bag. I love it so much. It is so girly, it's so high quality, it's so sturdy, so pretty, and I love it. It looks so cute. I literally cannot wait to go to Paris and visit their little boutique. And then lastly, for fashion, so of course you guys can't see me wear this, right, because it's super long and big, but I'll leave you guys some pictures here. Oh, this freaking coat from Lovers in France. Who are you talking to? Words just can't describe it. Mostly when you put it with nice outfits. Words can't describe it. You look good, you're warm, you match with everything. What else do you want? So now for the last part, which is miscellaneous items, we have this book, which I actually got at Goodwill. I was at Goodwill and I was trying to like be trendy and, you know, go to thrift stores, but I just get too I get too overwhelmed. Like, there's too many things, and I just hate shopping, and I hate looking, and I hate just going through things. So I kind of just like was standing in front of the bookshelf, and I found this book. It's called 7 Kinds 7 kinds of smart, identifying and developing your many intelligences. It is very interesting. It talks about the many. Let me know if you guys want a book review on this book. But so this book talks about the 7 different kinds of smart, right? We have word smart, picture smart, music smart, body smart, logic smart, people smart, and self smart. And what I love most about this book is that it has a lot of exercises so you can determine which kind of smart you are, because a lot of people grow up thinking, oh, I'm not smart because I didn't get good grades at school, right? Well, you might not be word smart, but you might be body smart, you might be people smart. So this book not only lets you figure out which kinds of smart you are, but also gives you exercises to acquire the other types of smart, which is absolutely amazing. Literally, the second I read the book, I was like, let me know if you guys want a book review on this whole book. And the last thing, if you are literally an old lady like me and you absolutely would die for candles, forget about Bath and Body Works, because Crazy Strong literally has the best candles. They are so pretty too. Let me show you one of them. So this one is the Crazy Strong Guava Berry Candle, and see, it's not even open and it already smells so good. So this is what they look like. And then this is what the lid looks like. And then of course, like, this is what the inside looks like. But so that was the last one of our items. I would love for you guys to tell me your favorites down in the comment box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that every single link for every single one of these products is going to be down in the description box. Well, maybe not if they're like not selling them anymore, because sometimes like some items, like, they just don't sell them anymore. And also guys, don't hesitate to tell me what you guys want to watch. And if you guys want to see me on a daily basis, then make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram at MichelleXDiaz. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel and leave a like, and I will see you guys on the next one.